Hello my friends, in our last videos we made this favorite button, but even though we tried to click this one, actually nothing happened because we didn't make any function for this one. So that's why we are going to make the function for this favorite button. So to do that, so there are two cases we are going to miss when we click that button. So first, when not adding yet, when we click it, we are going to add that movie into the favorite list, and when already added, when we click that button, we will remove that movie from the favorite list. So first we are going to take care of these first situations. So first to go to our text editor in here. So we need to go to favorite component here. So if we scroll down, so there is a button. So we need to make the on click in here. We are going to name the function on click favorite. So make this function in here const and arrow function. So we are going to take care of this first situation. So like by using the state in here for the status so of whether we already add this movie into the favorite list or not. So bring this state in here if favorite and else like this. So in here when not adding yet, and in here when already added. So we are going to first make this one. So we will use Axios as we always did. So this will be post request and the name will be API favorite and the add to favorite. So we are going to put the same variable we used before in here in our last section. So we are going to make this one as a global. So like this. So we put this one inside in here. And then we will do then and response if response and data and success and else and ours fail to add to favorites. And now we are going to make this API inside the node server. So by going to favorite controllers in here, we are going to copy this one thing and then paste at the bottoms, and we copy this one and paste it for the path, and then we delete all the unnecessary parts. And so what we need to do in here is that we need to save the information about the movie user ID inside the favorite collection. So if we come back to our favorite components, screw ups, we already put all of the information inside a variable, so we can easily get all of the information by using request and body. So we need to put this information inside the favorite collection. First, we need to bring the favorite model, and we need to make the instance new, and inside in here we need to put all of the informations the data from the client const and favorite, and we will save this one by using the save method, and we will also call the callback functions the error and dot, and if we got the error, return response and JSON and success and force and error, and return a response and status and 200 and JSON and success true. So now this is for the add to favorite API. So now we go back to our favorite component in here. So after being successful for this add to favorite, so what we need to do is we need to increment this number by 1, and we need to change these words too. So to do that, we need to change the state. So save favorite number and favorite number +1 and set favorite, and we will toggle this favorite. So now we also need to make the API for when it is already added. So we just gonna to copy this one and then paste it in here. We will rename some of the stuff. This one will be remove from favorite, and we need to delete this one for now. And we need to change this one into fade to remove from favorite. And we also need to make this API inside the favorite controllers in here. Just copy and paste it. Then delete it. So what we need to do is we save the information in here. So we need to find this one and then we need to delete it. To do that, we will use the favorite model and then we will use the find one and delete. And we will use the movie ID to find that information inside of favorite collection. So request a body movie ID, and we also need to use the user from. So request a body and user from. So and execute the query and call the callback function error and dot if error return response status 400 and JSON success force and error response and status 200 and JSON success true and doc. So that's it for this remove from favorite API, and save it and go back to our favorite components. And in here, we're going to do very similar things as we did in here. So just copy and paste it, and we just need to do -1. But I made one mistake. This one is not just favorite. This one is the favorite number. So favorite number and favorite number. And this part for the favorite status, so it will be the same because by using this one we can just toggle it. So now I'm going to try to click the buttons to test it. So come back to our application and refresh the page, and then I'm going to click it. Okay, maybe there is some errors. I tried to find it really quick. Problem was in here. I used the same set favorite number for this one. It is not favorite number. This one is set just a favorite. Even for this one, set favorite. So I'm going to save it and then go back to our application and refresh it first. And I'm going to click it again. So now it works really well. So thank you for watching this video. See you in our next section. Thank you.